Hi there. Welcome to the Healing Path. My name is Christina. We've been discussing meditation for the most part on this channel. Also, some other things I have experienced in a lot of different areas. But they all come back to your body and your mind, and they're all connected. So I want to discuss meditation and when we're stressed out. If you were already meditating, this probably isn't going to be useful for you. But if you're new to meditation and you want it to help you with stress, I want to encourage you with this whole thought process. So when you think about meditation and you think about meditation in regards to stress relief, a lot of times that's what we're told, like meditation will help you with your stress, right? So let's just say you're unemployed and you're stressed out, right? Because you need a job and you can't find one. This is a very common theme right now with a lot of people, including myself. So I have already been meditating in my life, and I now I kind of have a handle on spiraling. I can still get myself worked up if I'm not careful, and just did that not long ago. But I really do work hard on not allowing myself to spiral out with all my worry and concerns over everything, right? And so basically, you're going to sit down, you're like, okay, I'm going to do myself some good, I'm going to try to meditate, but you're really stressed out, and you sit down to sit and it doesn't go well, right? Because your brain is just firing off a million things and you're stressed out. That is not the best time to actually try to sit and do something like listening or, focusing on your breath coming in and out of your nose. That is just going to add stress to you. And then you're going to be annoyed that you can't even meditate. Nothing's going right, I can't even meditate. Right? So this is what I tell people who are new to meditating and they want to meditate to help with their stress, but you're not really used to meditating. That's the best time to do guided meditations, in my opinion. There is absolutely nothing wrong with guided meditation. In fact, I've been meditating for years and I enjoy a guided meditation anytime, right? So I'm going to eventually be making some guided meditations. Right now, I'm having some technical difficulties with my pretty new mic. I've only had this mic for a year, and I think it's my phone that's giving me problems. But I'm like glued to my mic like this right now, and it's still really not sounding the best. But I am going to produce some guided meditations for you guys down the road, and just getting started with the content on this channel. But I did want to just encourage you, just a brief encouragement that you can meditate, and maybe when you're really stressed out isn't the best time to try to sit and quiet away from your busy mind. So maybe it's better to do a guided meditation, right? So until I can produce some for you, you can check out Insight Timer is a free app that has a lot of free guided meditations on it. You can download that app for free. There's also one called Calm, and that one's really great for people that you can download, and that's a really beginner-friendly one. I really like Insight Timer the best. And I think there's some other meditation, guided meditations. Of course, you can Google this all day long on YouTube and Patreon. And I'm going to have some on my YouTube channel, but also on Patreon for sale eventually. But like I said, I have to figure out what is going on with my sound. But I really want to encourage you to start a meditation practice. And even if it's just for a minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and you just kind of increase it over time, it definitely will help you the more you do it. So if you have any questions, drop a comment in the comment section. You can also reach out to me if you want to work one-on-one to establish a meditation practice or help with any other mind-body type of things. And I hope you have a wonderful, peaceful, lovely day. And see you again soon. And like and subscribe for more.